we can use the sort function to sort any column of text or number into ascending or descending sorted order. So we've got a lot of numerical values in our data set. For example, the unemployment rate in column N, and that changes all over the shop. Sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's higher. Why don't we look at the sorted unemployment rate by creating a new column in W called sorted unemployment. So let's go ahead and populate this column with our sorted unemployment values. The sorted function takes one mandatory parameter, and that's the array of values that you want to sort. So I'm going to go ahead and select all the values in the unemployment column. And once I've selected them, I'm going to complete this function. And now you can see that we've sorted our unemployment values by highest unemployment to lowest unemployment.